Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset the toner counter on your brother's printer in 2026. So before you begin, you need to make sure that the toner cartridge is properly installed in the printer. Afterwards, you just have to open the front cover of your brother's printer, and on many of the brother laser printer models, you will need to keep the front open while performing the reset. So in order to perform the reset, you just have to simply locate, or you need to simply press the back button. You can also press the clear button, or you can also press this particular clear/back button depending on your printer's model. So a toner reset menu should appear over here on this particular display. So from the list, you just have to simply select the toner color that you want to reset. It can be black, it can be cyan, magenta, and yellow. So when prompted, you just have to confirm the reset by selecting yes or pressing the appropriate number, which will be shown on the display. So after the reset completes, you just have to close the front cover and allow the printer to return to the home screen. You can then print a test page in order to verify that the toner warning message has been cleared. Just keep in mind that the exact button sequence may vary slightly between brother printer models, but the overall process is very similar across most of the brother laser printers. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.